Welcome to ByteVision tutorial channel. How to upgrade NVMe SSD and RAM for DELL Latitude 5430 i7 12th generation laptop model. First of all, shut down the laptop properly. Let's flip the laptop backside and unscrew the all 6 screw nut bolts. Now open up the back cover gently by using metal Spudger prying scraper tools. This is DELL Latitude 5430 battery unit with 58 watt-hours power. Here is the RAM slot 1 and slot 2, which is support 64GB RAM maximum on the specific model DELL 5430. Extreme right top NVMe SSD memory slot.
Click like and subscribe button to unlock future content.
Before we begin hardware upgrade, detach laptop battery unit by unplugging battery unit cable. Once we detached battery unit power supply, push left and right clips to remove RAM from motherboard slot 1 and slot 2. This is 8GB RAM and total 16GB RAM currently installed on this laptop. Now unscrew the NVMe SSD screw nut bolt. Gently pull the NVMe SSD from the motherboard PIC slot. Currently 512GB NVMe SSD installed. This is NVMe 1TB SSD. Now let's upgrade to 1TB NVMe SSD. Insert the NVMe SSD on PIC slot on laptop motherboard. Screw up the nut bolt accordingly. Now upgrade the RAM 16GB on each slot, that is total 32GB RAM is upgraded on this laptop. RAM installation completed, and now connect the laptop battery unit.
Click like and subscribe button to unlock future content.
Close the laptop back panel cover and tighten up all 6 screw nut bolts. Once completed installation and upgrade process, switch on the laptop. BIOS message will pop up on your laptop. Changed memory configuration message. Just click continue to accept the changes.
Click like and subscribe button to unlock future content.
Thank you for watching ByteVision tutorial channel. Please like and subscribe.